As a developer, you're probably familiar with the package.json file in your Node projects. This file contains important information about your project, including its dependencies, scripts, and version. One property that you may not be familiar with is the property of the engines. This property is used to specify the required versions of Node.js and NPM for your project. Let's take a look at how to use the engines property with some examples. To set the required version of Node and NPM, simply add the engines property to your package.json file, with the Node and NPM keys and the required versions as the values. For example, if your project requires Node version 18 and NPM version 9, you would add the following to your package.json file. Once you've added the engines property to your package.json file, you can use the npm install command to install the required dependencies for your project. If the installed version of Node or NPM does not match the required version specified in the engines property, NPM will display a warning message, but will continue with the installation. If you wish NPM to terminate installation if NPM or Node versions do not match the required app versions, add --engine strict flag. If you don't see this warning, your NPM version is lower than 7. If your current version of Node and NPM is not compatible with the required version of the project, you can use a version manager like NVM to install and switch to the required versions. Here are the steps to install and use NVM. Visit the NVM repository on GitHub, github.com/nvm-sh/nvm, and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once NVM is installed, you can use the nvm install command to install the required version of Node. For example, to install Node version 18, ensure you are opening the terminal as administrator and run nvm install 18. After installing the required version of Node, you can use the nvm list command to list the installed version. After that, you can use the nvm use command to switch to the version you need. Now check the version of npm, you will find it is updated as well. This way, when you run npm install, you will not get this warning. And that's it. Using the engines property in your package.json file with a version manager like NVM is a simple and effective way to ensure that your project is using a compatible version of Node.js and NPM. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!